Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hard decode a subtitle to a video using this program QQ Player. Actually, there are a lot of programs that can do this, like Handbrake, VLC Player. But one advantage I find in this program, and I can't find it in any other programs, that it allows you to edit the subtitle, font size, color, even the position before you burn it to the video. Moreover, the produced video has this almost the same quality and size as the original one. Before we proceed, I should mention that this version I use is quite old. I provide a download link to it in the description below the video, and in case you want the latest version, you can proceed to the official website, and I provide the link to the official website as well in the description. But this is the only version I worked on. I haven't worked on the latest versions, and I am not sure if they are gonna work or not. Before we proceed as well, I will show you how to set up this version on your PC, and I will do this on a virtual Windows because I already have it here set up. Okay, let's go. Well, this is the virtual Windows, and this is the setup file of the version I currently use. Once you download it, double click on it and wait until the setup window appears. As you see, it's displayed, I think, in a Chinese language. It's okay, just click on this tab. It should be next, then next, then next, next, and wait until the setup finishes. Uncheck these, next, uncheck this, finish, then next, next, stall, uncheck this, finish, and here it is. This is the program. Okay, now let's move to the subtitle and the video. Well, this is the video file, and this is the subtitle file we want to hard decode to the video. So after finishing installation of QQ Player, right click on the video, open with QQ Player. Okay, and after that drag the subtitle file to the video, and note here subtitles loaded successfully, and as you see here, subtitle appears. Now we are gonna modify the font, color, size of the subtitle according to our preferences. All you have to do is right click on the video here, subtitle, then subtitle effects. As you see, under the subtitle there are three sections. The first one here, we can adjust the synchronization of the subtitle, the position of the line according to the top or bottom. Let's make it to the top. The second part here, we can change the font. Let's choose anything. The size, we can make it bold, italic, underline. It's okay. And here is the color of the main line. Let's set it to green for an example, and this is the outline color. Let's set it to red, anything. Then here we go. This is the subtitle after the modifications we made. Now it's time to produce the video or burn this subtitle after modifications to the video. Let's move to this tab, toolbox, and as you see here, there are a lot of features in this program. For an example, this feature to convert the video to other formats, this feature to merge multiple videos, and the features we are going to use to hard code the subtitle is this one, split. Actually, this feature is to crop a certain part of the video, but I discovered when you do this, the extracted part of the video is produced with the subtitle hard coded to it. So all we have to do here is to select the whole video by moving this cursor to the left, okay, and there is no need to move this cursor to the right because it's by default it is set to the end of the video. Now let's click save, then save the video. Here you see this is the resolution of the video, the quality, the format. I personally prefer to keep these settings exactly as the original video to get the optimal quality. To know the resolution and format of the original video, just right click on it, properties, and here it is. This is the format, which is already here MP4. Okay, then move to details, and here's the resolution, 400 and 224. Okay, it is 389, almost the same for the width, and the height exactly the same, so it's okay. Now here is the name. I can give it any name, for an example 1, 2, 3, 4, anything, and here I can select the destination where I want the produced video to be saved. Okay, you can choose anything. I choose here the desktop. Okay, and here we are. This is our produced video. Let's double click on it. Now as you see, the subtitle here appears, and now when I right click here, subtitle, I can see, as you can see here, the subtitle effect is here is deactivated because it is hard coded to the video. Now let's check the size of the original video and the produced video. Here the size almost 2 megabytes, and the produced video with hard code subtitle is 1.75, almost the same. Well, that's everything. Thank you for watching.